Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today I wanted to talk about what to do with leftover string from a candy project. So if you've been making candy for a while, you'll notice that you'll have little pieces of string left. And instead of throwing those away, because I know string can get costly and it's one of the things that you run out of the most, I just want to give you some ideas. So number one would be to make a single. So if you have a piece left over that's long enough, this is always my go-to to make a single. Next would be a choker. So if you have enough left, you can make a choker. Another idea would be just a single strand for a ring. These are a little bigger, so they take more string, but you could do a little ladder ring or just a single with mini pony beads or regular size pony beads. Also, when we make charms like perlers or peyote stitch charms to add to cuffs, you can take these little pieces and use them to tie the perler onto the cuff or wherever you're putting it. And that's all the ideas I have. If you guys have any, let us know, because I like to save money on string. And I do have a new project I'm working on that we're going to use all these little pieces for, so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I'll see you next time.